Now I'm going to the browser. Oh, okay, got it. I need to first import that, and I'm doing that import, and again the same method from, and here /detail, and I'm saving it like that, and here I'm importing the detail component from the detail.js file. All is awesome. I need to go to the browser to check if it's working fine. Here the nested class component. Okay, here you can see that I have a laptop with 8 GB RAM, 1 TB hard drive, Core i7 processor. Okay, so that's awesome. We've got it. Now I need to go to the browser back. I meant the coding panel back anyway. So now, for example, here we need to get some data, some specific data, space and some data. For example, RAM equal to 4 GB, okay, space HDD, whatever you say, 500 GB, and processor Core i3. Saving it. Now I can go to the detail.js page, and here 8 GB RAM. This should not be like that, but like that. The RAM 1 TB, instead of the 1 TB it should be HDD, and I'm doing a little things a little wrong. I'm gonna cover things up because what I'm missing, because I'm sending things as a prop, so this dot props dot processor. So this is how I'm accessing. I need to double check the spelling of the processor. Okay, the spelling of the processor is PROSESSOR, processor, and here this dot props dot HDD. Now the RAM, this dot props dot RAM. Saving it, and it is absolutely fine. This is props.rams, this is props.hdd, this is props, this dot props.processor. Now here you can see that in the detail we are actually receiving all of the data we're importing from the detail.js through this way. And here once I'm receiving the detail, so we are adding some details like RAM, HDD, and processor using the properties way. So we call the properties as props. So here you can see that this dot props.ram, this dot props.hdd, and this dot props.processor. One thing, if I was using the functional component, so I was not able to use this. I just needed to call the props. You know that already. Like we did with the app.js, here we just call the props. Anyway, now I'm going to the browser back. You're now able to see this is 500 GB, this is 4 GB RAM, this is Core i3 processor. Now there is a reason for duplicate that. There was no reason to duplicate this because it has multiple data, and we was making things collapsed and distracted and destroyed. So here I'm calling the detail again, detail, and now here I can call the RAM again and equal to 8 GB, and here HDD, and here, so the 750 GB here, and the processor Core i5. Now I need to save, and I need to go to the browser. Here I'm getting some error, and that's a very cool thing because I can actually see where the problem is actually happening. So at the line number 17, it's telling that there is something wrong. Oh, this is actually indicating a wrong point. Anyway, here this should be like that, and now this should not have any problem. I can see the browser now. Here you can see that I have a laptop with 4 GB RAM, 500 GB hard drive, and Core i3 processor. And there I have a laptop with 8 GB RAM, 750 GB hard drive, and Core i5 processor. Now that's awesome. Now I'm gonna add some more things in it. Now I'm going down here and I'm adding the details again, detail. So I'm not going to call the RAM first. I'm calling the HDD first. I just wanted to show you things with a different perspective.